The deposits of excessive fat in the abdominal area are considered a problem by the majority of people at some point in their life. Poor nutrition and incorrect diet, sedentary lifestyle, all this ruins the figure in the belly area. And once it's there, getting rid of it is not that easy. This lipopexia fat deposits can cause mental anguish as well as have a negative effect on overall health. That is why it is strongly recommended to get rid of them. How to do it? Yoga to the rescue. Doing yoga will help you get that slim waist back, and it will have a beneficial effect on your health. The exercises will improve it, strengthen your body, and bring that pleasant tranquility to your mind. 5 exercises to combat belly fat. Number 1. Cobra pose. Bhujang asana. The pose is a great way to lose weight, as well as strengthen your spine, buttocks, and stretch your shoulders. Start performing the asana from the lying position with your face down. Rise up a bit and prop both your forearms against the floor surface. Keep your elbows close to the chest. Inhale deeply and slowly straighten your arms, lifting your upper body as high as you can. Hold this position for 30 seconds, then exhale and return to the starting position. The exercise should be repeated 5 times with short 15-second breaks between the repetitions. Number 2. Bow pose, Dhanurasana. This exercise strengthens the central part of the abdomen. To achieve the desired effect, slowly swing back and forth. These movements improve digestion and make the entire body more flexible. Starting position. Lie on your stomach with your knees bent. Raise your lower legs and move your hands behind your back to grab the ankles from the outside. Inhale deeply and then exhale while bowing your body as much as possible. Raising the pelvis and chest from the floor. Pull your head back as far as possible. Hold the position for 15 to 30 seconds and watch your breathing carefully. While exhaling, return to the starting position. The asana should be performed 5 times with 15 seconds interval in between. Number 3. Pontoon pose, Nokasana. This asana is ideal for getting rid of the fat accumulated around the waist area, and it will also have a positive effect on your appetite and strengthen your leg muscles. Starting position. Lie on your back facing upward. Extend your legs while keeping them together and place your arms alongside the body, palms facing downward. Inhale and slowly raise your legs while making sure to keep them straight. Pull your toes up and raise your legs as high as possible while trying to reach the toes with your arms. Breathe calmly, hold the body at an angle of 45 degrees and stay in the position for 15 seconds. Repeat the exercise 5 times with short breaks of about 15 seconds. Number 4. Wind relieving pose, Pavana Muktasana. This pose will help you to combat back pain and will strengthen your abdomen and thighs. The wind easing position also normalizes the acidity, intestinal function, and improves metabolism. Original position. Lie on your back, legs stretched out. Stretch your hands parallel to the body. Pull your legs while holding the heels together. Bend your knees and slowly raise your legs to the chest, holding the knees with your hands. Breathe deeply and keep the pose for 60 to 90 seconds. While exhaling, lower your arms and legs on the floor. Repeat 5 times, taking short breaks of 15 to 20 seconds. Number 4. Plank pose, Kumbhakasana. This position is one of the easiest in yoga. It is very effective for burning fat and strengthening shoulders, back, arms, and buttocks. Original position is standing on your knees with your arms on the floor at shoulder level. Move your feet backwards as much as you can on your toes and simultaneously raise your body with your arms. Inhale deeply, extend your neck looking straight ahead and keep your back straight. Stay in this position for 15 to 30 seconds. Repeat the exercise 5 times, making small breaks of 15 to 20 seconds in between. Do you like our videos? Please hit the like button and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more upcoming informative videos like this. See you in the next video. Live healthy and strong.